Hey guys, what's going on? So right now I'm actually in San Diego at my brother's house. If you saw my last vlog, him and I actually drove cross country with his van and his family car, and I actually went back up to LA, got my van, spent a few weeks up there. Now I'm back down here. I realized that my van is up for sale, but it wasn't for sale ready. So I came down here and I spent the last couple of days just cleaning everything to make it in tip-top shape. So when I do show it to potential buyers, it looks good. And I think it looked good before, but I made it like totally nice now. I actually even cleaned out my back area where all my tools were. I'm gonna show you my brother's van. He doesn't even know I'm gonna do this yet. I'm gonna show you my brother's van as well right in a minute, but I wanted to show you my back area because I cleaned out all the tools. There was a bunch of tools in here, and now you can see how much storage is actually here. So now I have so much more room for anybody that wants to do something. Obviously these can still pull out. I took all the tools, everything is out of here. I even opened this up. There was wood in there and I took all that out. I just have my spare tools in there, but I mean, that's just stuff that's already bagged up. It's all ready to go. I'm ready to go. But look at how much room I made back here. It's crazy that there is that much room. So let's go over to my brother's van and see what he's up to, shall we? I think my nephew, oh, there he is. What's up, Jeff?
Hey, what's up?
I'm gonna show off your van. We're gonna do a little teaser. All right. This is not a tour because he isn't done yet. And I don't wanna do a tour until he's done yet. So, he's cleaning the floor because he...
you just stepped in it too. There's a bunch of water on the ground.
Oh, my bad, dude.
It's all right.
My nephew's right here. Look at this guy. He's such a cutie. Say hey, Henry. Hey, Henry. Somebody camera shy. Aw. Alrighty. What's up, Jeff?
What's going on?
What's going on, man?
No, nothing. Van's not done yet, but
I see
working
that.
on it, plugging away.
I see that. I'm gonna show this off real quick. There's one thing I want to show you guys that's probably maybe the coolest thing in a van that I haven't seen yet. Henry right now is sitting on the dining room table, the kitchen table, whatever you want to call it, the seating area.
Yeah.
What a lot of people do in their vans is they have a telescoping leg right there underneath, and that will go down, and that creates a huge bed, and because of the L shape in the back, this bed area is massive. I mean, I think you fit all four of you.
We did, yeah.
When you went camping.
Yeah, we didn't. Yeah, we did.
Unplanned.
Yeah.
The two kids, they don't like, if anybody has kids, I think they can also understand that kids like to sleep with their parents. Is that right?
That's true.
So Ella and Henry slept with you and Aaron on your big bed when you guys did take it on its maiden voyage, right?
They did. Well, Henry was only a couple weeks old, and Ella was sleeping in the guest bed,
which I'm going to show right now.
For a few minutes, but she ended up in our bed in the middle of the night.
All right, so I'm going to step over here, Jeff.
All right, yeah, sure.
I'm going to flip this around and you can tell them what your guest bed is all about.
So my dad and I designed this. We, for a couple different reasons, we just wanted another bed, and we looked up all sorts of different ideas. We saw a bunch of bunk bed systems and, things that created different, people did stuff in the cabs, and my dad and I really were trying to keep an open concept here, and we built this. We've seen a lot of people make that, that slatted day bed, pull-out bed, but if I did that, I would have had to have built it a lot farther out, so people could have slept this way, and I didn't want to waste any space over here, so what we came up with, and we also had to have car seats, was this. There's two cushions here that will fold over, and the cushions you're sitting on and the cushions on the backrest are what you're actually using as your bed.
That's like a triple decker.
So it slides all the way out, and then these are the clips of the car seats, and they're anchored into the unistrut, which is anchored into the body, and to get the same level plane here, we built these, we just call them saddles. They just get stored in there. And then the backrest comes off.
I actually slept on this driving across country.
Yeah, and it's great. I mean, it's great for if you want to bring another adult with you or a couple kids with you. Obviously, still have to fill in the back area there with a wall, but
yeah, your van is totally not done yet.
yeah, but you get the idea, you get the concept. So then the cushion you were sitting on before now becomes your sleeping surface. This folds out, and this one goes right here. And when we had the kids here, we just put pillows underneath the on top of those hooks. And this is 44 inches wide by the width of the van. It's almost 70 inches.
Yeah, it's perfect, right?
So yeah, it fits a lot.
So you pretty much have a guest bed and your full-size king-size bed, whatever you want to call it. I mean, it's bigger than king-size.
As well as 2 additional car seats. That was our big thing. Was we had originally drawn up. We had a 3-seater car seat in here. We were going to cut down and re-weld back to a 2-seater, and it seemed like a lot of work for this. We could do this. We could turn it sideways, and we could gain a lot more floor space and versatility. So I also got to do something with this. There's actually an emergency escape window behind it too. I want to be able to find a way to prop it open with some sort of pneumatic hinge too, so we can make it accessible. So easy enough.
What's the matter, Henry? What's the matter?
Also gives us a lot more storage underneath this bench too.
You got a pretty strong grip for a 6-month-old.
A lot more storage under there.
So yeah, we also got storage, right?
Yep.
So yeah, so put it back. You put those things back down. What'd you call them? The levels?
Those?
Yeah.
We call them saddles.
Saddles.
Yeah, they're just kind of saddled on the side there.
Oh yeah. It pushes right back in.
Right back in. And we made the slats real tight so that it slid really smoothly. And we used actually stair treads. They're actually
That's pretty cool, man.
yeah, it's yellow pine, so it's real solid stuff. I mean, you could support a lot of weight on there.
Yeah, you stood on it just a minute ago.
Yeah.
Up, Henry. Lastly, you have your thing over the thing. Well, one of my favorite things in your van is your kitchen sink here.
Yeah. So there's
You built this as like an RV, it's an adventure rig, right?
yeah. I mean, we like to take trips with the kids and stuff, but it's nice to be able to do it in comfort. So
This is messy, guys. Sorry.
yeah, it's a mess right now, but we did a 14-inch ceramic sink.
I think it's so cool.
Yeah, and faucet, and
Your water tank gonna go? Oh no, you have a water tank here.
water tank is actually underneath that bench.
Yeah.
Fresh water tank. So this is all storage under here, storage under here. There's a drawer here for storage. Just got to put all the hardware, the handles on here. There's a drawer here, and then this storage compartment is
Oh, look at that.
a toilet. And
You never know. Oh, and your Coleman.
2-burning camping stove.
Nice.
Yep.
And actually, I'll show this in your tour video, but haven't installed yet, but you're gonna do a outdoor shower.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. That'll be actually in the back of the van there, and just finish.
Doors will open up.
Yep, and then there'll be a curtain that goes from door to door.
That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, and then those lights, if you want to do anything outside at night, you can grill or you can shower at night, and those lights actually will.
Those lights are so cool. By the way, I'll get a shot of those in a minute there. I'll show you guys closer of those lights, but they're really cool. I like those lights a lot. Well, Jeff, you did a good job, buddy.
Hey, no, me and Dad. Thanks, man.
Yeah. Dad helped me build my van. Dad helped him build his van. Our designs, our thoughts, but Dad was the laborer that didn't get paid.
He helped me with the design of the bed, I will say.
Okay. All right, guys. This is the end of the vlog here, and this is kind of just updating you what's going on here. I'm gonna be leaving here in a couple hours. I'm leaving San Diego, going back up to LA. I'm getting back to work, unfortunately. Oh, I'll be back down in a few weeks.
Yeah.
I just registered my van as an RV. Unfortunately, I did it here in San Diego, so I come back down to the DMV in San Diego to do that. So,
anybody want to find me on Instagram? It's the Freedom Wagon.
I'll put your name on there.
Thanks, man. San Diego. I'm in San Diego now. If anyone wants to meet up in San Diego, hit me up.
There you go. Hit up Jeff in San Diego. He loves doing van stuff.
And beer stuff.
You think me and Jeff should build vans together? Comment below and let us know. Bada bing, bada boom, I'm out.